Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law. Today we're going to talk about, can I add a creditor to my bankruptcy after filing the bankruptcy? It's always best, of course, to make sure we've got all the creditors listed at the time we file the bankruptcy, but it's not always possible, and people's memories sometimes fail. In fact, I've had people with amnesia, or I've had plenty of people who have been recovering addicts of one kind or another. They hardly remember their name, much less their creditors. So sometimes it is true that we discover creditors after we file. And in most instances, they can be added, but there are deadlines to do this. And if you have an asset Chapter 7 bankruptcy case, or you're in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy case, there are deadlines to do this. And if it doesn't get done, this creditor can rightly take the position that you cannot add me now because I wasn't part of the process of receiving funds. I didn't receive notice. So I've been negatively impacted by your failure to include me as a creditor. So it's always important to get the creditors on there right off the bat. And I tell people all the time, sit in your lounge chair, especially with medical providers, and create a list of people you know you owe money to. A lot of times creditors will report on your credit reports, but medical providers are one of those providers that just a lot of times they don't report. So you got to make sure you add them. And sometimes you just got to create a list when the time is right. When you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.